everyone, my name is Michael Wymore and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I want to talk about what is it like to be a digital marketer. Should you be pursuing a digital marketing career? Is it something that would interest you? Is it not? And how can you become a digital marketer if it is something that you do want to do? Let's go ahead and jump straight into this, no fluff. Let's do it. So first of all, guys, what is a digital marketer? Well, a digital marketer is somebody who uses digital tools in the name and basically digital strategies to grow an online business, essentially with more conversions or more leads. Any of those performance-based metrics usually are in play when you're a digital marketer. And a lot of the times you're working with Facebook ads, Google ads, building strategies, building websites, helping create ads, the images, the videos, all those different things to help, grab attention from other people and, essentially just grow a business. That is the main goal, guys. And so how can a digital marketer make money in 2023 and in the years to come? Well, essentially there's a few different ways. So first of all, a digital marketer could be a full-time 9-to-5 employee, which is what I'm actually currently doing right now. I work for a brand on the marketing team and I help grow their business with paid advertising, with paid services. But you can also do a few other things with digital marketing. So those include building your own business, which is something I've done as well, which is a lot of fun, and it's definitely one of those skill sets that really help you be able to take your business to the next level. You can also do affiliate marketing. You can promote other people's products and make money with commissions, and you can also grow an audience. So maybe you don't know what you want to sell right now, but maybe you just want to start an audience and have people viewing your content or viewing whatever that you're promoting. There's a few different ways you can leverage this skill, and so for that reason alone, I think it's a very valuable skill to learn. And essentially, guys, is it worth pursuing? So my day-to-day, what does that look like? I'm currently working at a 9-to-5 doing digital marketing. What does it look like? Well, essentially for me personally, because I'm a paid media specialist, I focus on the paid advertising. So I'm doing the Facebook, the Google, the landing page optimization, the copywriting, just kind of anything that has to do with paid digital advertising. I'm touching my hands on. I'm doing the dirty work, and it's a really great way also to gain skills. And so that kind of leads into my next part, is like, how do you get your first digital marketing job if it's something that you want to do? And essentially, guys, I recommend first getting your hands and your feet wet, watching some YouTube videos, kind of the basic things that, with anything that you want to learn, like what is the next step? What is, what does it look like to even, do this? So I would say just start researching, getting your feet wet, kind of figure out like the first, what's a marketing funnel, kind of learning the basics of marketing. And then once you learn that, guys, I would say then you can start to really take those concepts and, put them into application. So that means actually applying to internships or working for free, offering your services for a cheap rate in order to get your foot in the door. Anything, guys, that you can actually turn this theory into application. That's like the key right there. And so once you do that, and you start developing more skills and really taking your theory into application, then you can start really looking for, I would say, full-time 9-to-5 gigs, or you can look for starting your own business, or anything that involves the greater achievement, meaning more money, more pay, more freedom, all those different things that you're looking for as a digital marketer. And then of course, guys, for those of you that are entrepreneurs kind of like me, if you want to use your digital marketing skills outside of just work, which by the way, if you just want to do work with digital marketing, it's a great way to make money. In fact, you can make a pretty good salary. I think digital marketers make anywhere between $50,000 to like $120,000. It's a pretty big range, but it kind of just shows you like all the room for growth you have as a digital marketer. But essentially, you can also grow your own business with digital marketing skills. And so if that's something you want to do, you don't have to really wait for any permission slip or anything, something like big in order to start an online business. You can just go for it. But the thing is, there's obviously going to be that learning curve. So I do actually recommend you start sooner than later, so you can just start getting your feet wet and essentially trying to grow your online business with your digital marketing skills. So I know that was a lot of information. Hopefully that wasn't too crazy, but those are the tips and the tricks that I have for you when you start thinking about, should I be a digital marketer? Should I not be a digital marketer? I hope that helped. As somebody who does do digital marketing, I think it's a really valuable skill to have in 2023, and I really hope that if you have any questions, you leave them down below so I can leave a comment, I'll answer them, and I'll get back to you very, very soon. So thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one.